Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to remove the sale tag from your products in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page where at the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. And after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side screen we can see all the sections we can get started with, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can remove the sale tag from our products. This is what we want to do, guys. Basically, as you can see in this thread right here in the official community Shopify page, somebody already asked how you remove the sale badge from the corner of the products and some of the themes. And here we have a Shopify partner giving us a straight answer. What we're going to do is go into online store, themes, and then actions, and then click edit code. So we're going to go ahead right here, the left side screen, find the sales channels and click online store. This is automatically going to open up this themes section, where as you can see next to our theme we have the three dots. The three dots is going to open up this drop down menu, which we can find the edit code option. So click on edit code, and as you can see guys, after clicking edit code, now we want to go into assets and click on theme liquid. So we're going to go ahead and find the assets section right here, the left side screen. We have the assets right here, and now as you can see we are looking for theme liquid. So you can just use the search bar at the top of the screen, you can search for theme, and as you can see guys, this is now going to open up the theme liquid option right here. Or if you can even go into assets and open up the theme editor, doesn't matter, you can open up any of the sections. And as you can see, what we're looking for guys is to paste this code as well as that product item badge display now. You want to copy this guys and find your code right here that we have opened up for editing and paste it as your last option and the piece of code. After pasting it, just click the save button at the upper right corner, and now you can go back to your store and check your products, and you'll see that your Shopify badge has gone and you no longer have the sales tag right here. But yeah guys, that's how easy it is to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.